Camfil APC is one of the fastest growing dust collector manufacturers in the Americas. To support that growth, we recently completed construction of our new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Jonesboro, Arkansas. This 290,000 square foot complex provides the resources we need to manufacture high-quality dust collection systems and cartridge filters and to deliver the best customer support in the industry. It's one of the many reasons why companies are joining the switch to Camfil. Let's take a short tour. The process of manufacturing dust collectors begins in our fabrication area. Fiber laser tables cut 7 and 10 gauge steel for the dust collector housings. Then the steel goes to the brake presses to be formed. Next, the metal parts go to the weld area. They're placed in the weld stage or racks, depending on part size, and inspected to make sure everything is up to Camfil quality standards. Material handlers will then take the parts to the next available welder to begin the weld process. Our weld booths are configured to maximize workflow efficiency and to provide a healthier work environment compared to open floor plan style weld shops. Our robotic welders are pre-programmed to weld frames. This is followed by a second round of quality checks before the frames are sent to the paint department. First, parts are taken to the load station and hung on the paint line. Then they go through a 4-stage wash that removes oils, grease, and contaminants. This process aids adhesion of the powder coat so every part of our dust collectors gets a durable, long-lasting coating that resists corrosion. After the wash, the parts enter a 100-foot-long dry-off oven. Starting with a clean, dry part is critical to ensure a good powder coating process. In the powder coating booth, light curtains detect the parts and trigger the 10 automatic powder coating guns. A manual paint process covers any areas that the paint guns miss. The parts move into the curing oven and are then allowed to cool before they're removed. They undergo a third quality inspection before being taken to the assembly bay. Our assembly department has over 200 years of combined experience assembling dust collectors. Purchased parts come from our raw material warehouse, which we also use to supply parts to customers worldwide. Then, dust collector assembly begins. The first step is framing. We seal the frames together with rope caulk. Next, it's time to run some bolts. Then, door assembly, followed by the installation and testing of the pulse cleaning system. Once all internal components are installed, we wrap the collector in panels. At every step of the assembly process, we take the time to fill out a progress report to ensure that each part lives up to the high level of quality Camfil customers expect. While the dust collectors are being manufactured, the cartridge filters for each unit are coming off the assembly line, where they're placed in boxes, put onto pallets, and wrapped for shipping. Then the finished dust collectors are moved to one of our storage areas. All orders leave on delivery trucks through one of 6 loading docks, or from our shipping lanes, where the finished units are loaded onto delivery trucks with forklifts or our 15-ton bridge cranes. Customers appreciate the meticulous care applied to every step of our manufacturing process. It's that care and attention to detail that sets us apart from other dust collection partners. And it's why we can say that at Camfil APC, your air is our business.